I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel. Yeah.
All right.
These from them. What is this right here? Why does that come down and have that welded to that circle? That's
I'd like to
different.
ask him that. Why is this? He's asking about this. Why does that come down and weld to that circle like that?
This is actually the prototype. So the original 21 was based off of the 20,
Okay.
which uses the nose gear
Ah,
column. Then we decided we was going to use the firewall forward from the S19 roughly for the 912.
Ah, okay.
So we didn't need that anymore, but we just left it in.
Right. Okay.
Your production cage will have that in it. Yeah, that's what I was, because ours is built. We're just working on the avionics, and I was like, that's not good.
See how they rub this rubs right here.
Yeah, see how it's further down than we did
Yeah.
ours?
Right.
It's got to go up underneath there. I think the new ones aren't probably as deep either in that area.
Yeah. So I didn't want to know.
What are you snapping pictures of?
The way this wing mounts. A little stopper right there to keep it from hitting, scratching the underside of the wing when the door comes up. That's what I want to see.
What did you just take a picture of?
The way that piece mounts, you have to actually trim it because it hits the pulley. Sorry, it hits the pulley, and I didn't know exactly where to trim it at. There's a better shot.
Not just for a short period of time, but actually for lifetime updates. So you can always have the latest information in your course as you prepare for your pilot instrument, whatever it happens to be.
Airplanes in terms of length of fuselage, things it can do. As you can see, this one that's got what we call big engines. That's a GE engine, replacing the Pratt & Whitney engines, which weren't dependable, but they were smoking and they were not quiet. So we have to aid underneath it.
Just finished a couple weeks ago.
And everybody can fly. So what you're looking at, in fact, is a 7
Greatest of everything.
That's the designation they got when the
Instead of the stovepipes, right?
yeah, we love the Pratts. They were bulletproof and rules are rules, and everybody had to be flying with it. You don't think.
Where do you put your picture?
I've had limited success with that.
Off so I can see the engine. See
I
how
love this tricycle gear. I absolutely love this thing.
this is the new raised up 1.5 inch upgrade that they did. I believe the prop's larger, and then they use the tail dragger gear back here.
What engine are you putting in it?
The
Should be a gold machine. Yeah. Right.
Throttles come back and start using.
How's that feel, babe?
weird,
Say that again.
weird. So those two, these are these. I haven't cut these yet. It's 13. I think ours has 9. This is different. Well, look at this is like metal on ours. It's plastic right here. And that's where they. Well, I guess we can't put it at.
I'll see how this is not.
Now it's what?
I think that's why you got that draw and that cut in there.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. You're fine.
I drove through faster yesterday.
No, not yet. I'm looking how old This used to be down here, and closer. It's out of the way now. Moved it up from here to here. There's the shunt that we have. There's your battery contactors, and there's battery contactors, starter contactors. They can use this post. There's a little screw
Piece of sheet metal like bent over, and then it's got a bend this way on it. And this is lined up with this bend. When it grabs that jogger, you can describe it, and that's where you trim. But another way is just take some tape and measure out.
Impressive sight to see. At 130 pound, 100-foot long aircraft.
Forward.
Back up as easily as you park the car.
But always cut.
Watch as the
cut a
special
chunk
tactics
off,
team
go back
unloads
up there,
onto the still
remeasure.
running
Do that
MC-130.
Okay.
And note
And
how
once you
fast
get
the
it all
whole
cut,
operation
I haven't read the instructions in a
unload
while.
and takeoff takes
Once you get it
place.
cut, then you start
It is through the
measuring
rigorous
all
training,
go and drill all
discipline,
that stuff.
and professional attitude that our American airmen
Set within
have
this
the
joggle.
capability
You're
to perform
indicating
such
that
a
you're
high
correct.
proficiency.
Keep it long to where it's somewhat tight up there. Then when you start drilling your holes and you get it,
Then you can trim it.
then measure out like a 1/16 of an inch, a little something, so you're not chipping the paint every time. And it just blocks in that nice and straight. And then when you bring your top in, it'll do the same thing. This is all going to be long. A lot of times, okay, so that when you put that down, it's going to sit up right down here. You measure from your top with your spanner up to the radius. And that's about how much you can move at these 4 points. But once again, take a couple stabs at it. And you'll find that if you bring this out farther, that radius there, you need to bring this cut a little farther around, bring that down, get it close, and then start trimming your back.
Okay.
When you get that set down, you can do the same method here to get your sides to the rest of your height there.
You got some vacation coming up soon. fly you to Texas. Put you in some chains for a week.
Yeah.
This one looks beautiful, man. Did you guys paint this in house, or do
Yeah.
y'all? So how do y'all do that? Do y'all just scuff it? I've never painted anything before. Do you just scuff it down, clean it, prime it?
Yeah, you're gonna want, like on your sheet metal, use a good oil degreaser, wax degreaser.
After you scuff it with Scotch Brite.
Before you
So before, okay.
If there's any grease on there, you scuff it, you're gonna work it down as well as scuff. So degrease it, scuff it, and then we, depending on the primer and the product we use, it's gonna determine the stuff.
What do you guys use? I think it's a
We use Omni, which is a PPG product. We're using a self-etch, self-etching prime, and then we go over it with the sealer, and then base coating. If when we're back, if you call, I can get you actual numbers, product numbers on that.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up,
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.